I'm going to show you how to make Napa cabbage with salt and pepper shrimp. It's a very fragrant dish. You get the bold and unique flavors by pouring hot oil straight over all the ingredients. Peel 12 shrimp. Cut them along their back. Remove their intestinal veins. Cut 1 sweet pepper or hot chili into julienne. Slice 1 green onion. Chop 3 cloves of garlic. Use 1 tablespoon of Korean gochugaru chili powder. It's not very spicy. You can also use paprika instead. Cut 1 Napa cabbage into julienne. This cabbage is mild and crunchy. It's widely used in Asian cuisine. It's also used to make kimchi. Put it in a large bowl and mix it with 1 teaspoon of salt. This helps extract the water from the cabbage. If you don't remove it, the final dish will be too wet, and these flavors and aromas will be diluted, making it bland. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the seasoning sauce. Put in a bowl 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of black rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix. We have a nice sweet and sour sauce. After 10 minutes, the cabbage has released its water. Rinse it. This stops the process by removing the salt. Drain it and squeeze it to remove the water. Now we make the salt and pepper shrimp. Preheat the pan over high heat. When it's very hot, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the 2/3 of chopped garlic. Stir for a few seconds. When it starts to be golden, add the shrimp. Add a half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of ground pepper. Stir for 2 minutes. If you are using smaller shrimp, 1 minute should be enough. Don't overcook the shrimp or they will lose their crunchiness. Keep aside. Put on the cabbage, the remaining chopped garlic, the gochugaru chili powder, the green onion, and the sweet chili pepper. Heat 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil until it becomes very hot. Pour it on. It instantly enhances the flavors and aromatics. Add the seasoning sauce and mix. The Napa cabbage soaks up all the aromas. Add the shrimp. Mix. Add 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Briefly mix. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds. The Napa cabbage with salt and pepper shrimp is ready. Enjoy without delay with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The shrimp are crunchy and well flavored. The cabbage is also still crunchy and very flavorful. Here are the important points for making this dish a success. Sprinkle salt over the Napa cabbage to draw out excess moisture. To keep them crunchy, don't overcook the shrimp. Pour the hot oil over the aromatics to enhance the flavors. Eat immediately. The hot oil pouring technique can add unique and truly delicious flavors to certain dishes. For example, steamed ginger fish fillets, chicken with Chinese sauce, chicken and choy-sam with hot sauce. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish.